Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up teams inside of Dalux FM. Teams are the way we can control what we see and how our daily work orders place themselves inside of Dalux. Briefly, if we go to work orders, you can see that we have my inbox and team inbox. This is how we differentiate what's on me as a person and what's in my team in terms of work orders. Another way to put it, if we set up our teams correctly, we can make sure that what we see in our inbox and our team inbox is the right work orders that we need to deal with and not everything else. Setting up teams, we go to settings and then select operation and maintenance and then select teams. Here you can see that we have two teams and we have two main groups for our teams. There's not yet been added a team to group 2 yet. You can see in this team by clicking it who's a member of the team, and you can see their settings over here. Primary team means that these persons have their primary work orders inside of this team. We can add members like so by entering their email address and then selecting whether or not it's the primary team or not. We can also select whether or not they should receive notifications from this team. And we can select what kind of permission they have. Full means that you can receive and edit work orders inside of the team. Limited means that you cannot receive but can edit. And the observer role means that you cannot receive and can only view. These settings are handy when we start adding the same person to several teams, because you can actually be inside of two teams. You can see here as Dennis is in two teams here. This means that he has his primary team here with his day-to-day work orders, but is still a member of the second team. He can then actually see what's going on in the second team, but still has his day-to-day work inside of team 1. Using the groups is a way to create a nice overview of our teams, but we can also edit them and select what visibility they have. This means that we can set up a team group that is limited so that everyone within that team group can only select other teams within that team group. To create a team, simply click the plus, then we have to name it. Select the accessibility and then add members to our team. You can only add members to your team that has already been created as users inside the system. Please see the video User Administration for more information about this. The last thing I'm going to show you is that you can search your team members up here to make sure that you have them in the correct teams. And these teams can be moved from one group to another by dragging and dropping. That's all for this video. See you again next time.